Hey guys, this is Pat.
And I'm Heidi.
Brain Country Homestead, and God is good all the time. We were second place in a contest. First place was
Eric from Life and Farmland.
And he did unfortunately, he did a better video than we did.
He did. It was very good. He definitely deserved it. So this contest was from Doug and Stacy, Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. And us content creators were to do a video on why we watch Doug and Stacy. And so if you'd like to see our video, we'll go ahead and link to it right up here. And then I'll go ahead and add Eric's video because it is very, very well done.
Right.
And I'll link to it as well right up here. And so we got second place, which means we won the prize of $100. And what we did, and this is great because it's going to benefit all of us, is we invested it back into equipment for making better videos and photos. And that is simply, I got myself an iPhone. And going from a dumb phone to an iPhone, he had his own, but sometimes he's not always around and he needs his phone with him. And I needed something that was taking better pictures because all of our decent cameras were dying a slow death, and the video camera, the one that we're using right now, we've had for many years, used it in many dance shows, and it's been our YouTube camera all along, but we don't know how long it's going to last, so we also wanted something that would give us a backup camera, which the iPhone will do good because I know his makes good videos. So that was why it was the best choice. So that you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram
and Twitter,
with good, better pictures and all that. So if you don't know, we do have an Instagram account. I set it up about a year ago, but because I didn't have a smartphone to do anything with it at the time, it just sat there. And so now I'm going to be able to finally make use of it, and you'll be able to keep up with us on there.
Well, the wonderful thing about the gift that Doug and Stacy gave us is this phone here. It's not a new phone. It's a refurbished iPhone, and it's an iPhone 5S.
It's an iPhone SE.
Oh, okay, whatever that means.
And it was $100.
And it was right at what the gift was.
Right.
So
worked out perfect.
This not only works as a phone, it also works as a camera and as a video camera and as a communication for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Right.
And so this is we really thought long and hard on what we could do to invest back in this channel and in you guys, and in appreciation for what Doug and Stacy have done there. They've been our friends for quite some time now. Thanks again, Doug and Stacy.
Right. Thank you so much. We really appreciate everything.
Right.
And I just got off the phone with them a little bit ago, and they were giving me some more tips.
Right. Yeah, they're great folks. So anyway, Heidi's got a really nice case, and I don't anymore.
I wanted to show you a close-up of this. It's all leather. And I'm going to go ahead and link to this below because it's really cool. I love this case. And anyway, it just, just has a magnet.
You got to get it up there in the camera.
You can see how that works like that. It's just basically looks like a little wallet. And I like this better than any other kind of case I've seen.
Well, this also does this, doesn't it, Mom? It can,
oh, yeah, and you can stand it like that.
You can, it flips over, and you can...
So it becomes
treat it like a little computer.
Yep.
Or you can videotape with it like this too. You can set it up on a table or whatever. And if we're ever do a live show, we could actually do it on this phone. So
yep.
That's great.
That'll make it a lot easier, and we won't have to depend on our slow internet, because this should probably get us a better connection.
Well, you could put your business cards in there, Heidi.
I could put my business cards in here, where the credit card thing's supposed to go. But this also comes in other great colors like navy blue, brown, and black. They all are really nice looking. So if you have a phone like this, any kind of iPhone that you might be interested in getting a case for, I'll go ahead and link to that below. And then what Mr. Rain doesn't know is I also ordered him up one for his in black.
Oh.
He did. It was going to be a surprise, but I figured I'd surprise him right here on camera. So, all right. Well, thank you so much, everyone out there. Thank you again, Doug and Stacy. Thank you for those who are rooting for us for the contest. And again, don't forget to go check out Eric's video. It's really well done.
Right, right.
And don't forget to check out Doug and Stacy. If you don't know who they are, you need to find out. So I will also link to their channel right up here and in the end cards of this video.
And Doug, I'm back to wearing my old suspenders. These are my work suspenders, not my going to town suspenders. So.
And you don't have your little fencing, whatever those little plier things are, remember?
Oh yeah.
We had to cut a lot out of that video to get under 5 minutes.
Yeah, we were doing a whole bunch of different things in that last video, but we had to cut it down to 5 minutes. So we put a couple of excerpts that some folks that really watch Doug and Stacy
would actually
pick up on, and one of them was the fencing pliers that he was showing people how to use. And in one of his videos, he gave a set of fencing pliers away. So real good folks, real giving of information and also time and effort. They're just great folks.
Good people.
Anyway.
Well, thanks for watching.
And take care.
And God bless.
Don't forget to check us out on
Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
And if you want to be a rain country rebel, you can.
Or a rainiac.
Link to the link. Click on the link below. Anyhow.
All right. So for reals. Goodbye, all.